beneath the crushing weight of thousands of meters of water. In the darkest reaches of the Pacific Ocean, something extraordinary is etched into the seafloor. A series of perfectly straight, parallel lines stretching for miles. These strange scars, eerily precise and sharply defined, have long whispered secrets to those who study the deep, provoking questions that challenge our understanding of both human impact and nature's own mysteries. Our journey begins in the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, an abyssal plain far from any continent where the silence is broken only by the slow drift of sediment and the occasional passing of an enigmatic deep-sea creature. It was here, in 1979, that humans first left an indelible mark. A test mining operation, driven by the quest for polymetallic nodules, natural deposits rich in rare metals, carved an 8-meter-wide strip across the ocean floor. Alongside this strip, deep furrows were left behind, the byproduct of heavy machinery venturing where no light penetrates. At the time, the operation seemed like a fleeting experiment, a brief intrusion into the planet's last wilderness. But the deep sea does not quickly forget. In 2023, a team of researchers returned to this site, equipped with sophisticated submersibles and imaging technology. What they found was astonishing. The scars from the mining operation were still starkly visible, unchanged despite the passage of more than 4 decades. The ocean floor, once a mosaic of nodules and life, remained bare and silent in those tracks. The smallest, most resilient marine animals had begun to recolonize, inching across the emptiness. Yet the larger, more complex organisms, those that anchor entire ecosystems, were still absent. The revelation was clear. Human disturbances in the deep sea persist far longer than we ever imagined, raising profound questions about the true cost of mining the ocean's treasures. Yet not all tracks on the seafloor can be traced to human hands. In 2018, scientists exploring the same Pacific depths discovered enigmatic depressions, vast, sweeping lines and marks that defied easy explanation. They were too large, too regular to be made by any known deep-sea animal, and their formation could not be attributed to geological processes. For a moment, the lines seemed almost impossible, evidence of something beyond our current knowledge. The leading hypothesis was as bold as it was mysterious. These tracks might be the work of deep-diving whales, giants of the ocean plunging to unthinkable depths in search of food, or perhaps navigating ancient migratory routes etched into the planet's memory. If true, these marks offer a rare glimpse into the hidden behaviors of creatures we scarcely understand, suggesting a secret world of movement and interaction far below the reach of sunlight. Layer by layer, the evidence builds. In one sector, the scars of human mining linger, an uncomfortable reminder of our power to alter even the most remote ecosystems, and the near permanence of our intrusion. In another, the tracks of unknown origin beckon, hinting at the existence of life and activity we have yet to witness. The deep sea, once thought to be static and silent, emerges as a dynamic tapestry where technology and mystery collide. For scientists, each discovery is both a revelation and a warning. The persistence of mining scars over decades signals a need for caution, a reminder that the ocean's resilience is not infinite and that the ecosystems of the abyss recover at glacial speed. Meanwhile, the unexplained tracks invite us to look deeper, to question what we know about the creatures that roam the planet's last wilderness. In this realm, the boundaries between artificial and natural blur, and the line between known and unknown is razor thin. Every expedition into the deep reveals new layers to the story, evidence of ancient monsters, lost species, and phenomena that challenge our most basic assumptions. The ocean floor is both a record of our ambition and a canvas for nature's own secrets, a place where every scar, every track, hints at impossible truths waiting to be uncovered. As we peer into this darkness, one fact becomes inescapable. The deep sea is not just Earth's final frontier, it is a living mystery, and every mark upon its surface is a message from a world stranger than fiction.